Hi, my name is Rob Stocklosa. I'm an application engineer with TPM out of Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to discuss managing multi-level terminals. Some of you may be using these types of terminals where you have several different height levels to the terminal block. First thing we're going to look at is creating the manufacturing part required to identify those different levels of terminals. Here I'll select the classification for the library where I want to add my manufacturing part. Select the add manufacturing part, and we're going to simply, I always spend a little time making sure everyone understands to properly fill out these properties, as a simple mistake in this dialog can make it nearly impossible for you to locate what you've just created. And we run into that from time to time. So please pay attention to where you are placing your information. So today we're just going to create a simple new part, add it into my demonstration library. And now we're going to tell it what terminals and circuits are available for this. So here I've created two separate circuits, one upper, one lower. And now I'll identify the upper having a terminal and the lower having a terminal. It is important when you create these to make sure you put in the terminal information per your standards and give it the appropriate call out. I'll accept this and add it to my library. Now I come in the next day and I want to use that information in a project. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up a blank schematic, add in a single wire, and show you what we've created. The first terminal that we apply, we'll locate a manufacturing part that we generated. You'll see it has the two terminals listed, and we bring in the first one and it indicates our upper. And then we apply a second one, and it's important we select the correct component here in our tree so that it associates correctly, but you'll see we have the upper and the lower. Editing the terminal strip, you'll see that it's called out correctly. Of course, you want to make sure, again, that these match your company standards. I'm going to go ahead and drop in a new terminal block now, call it TB2. And I'll open this up. I'm going to insert those two terminals, and there's a special thing here. We got to go through the level definition. It's a simple right click, and I'm going to input the amount of levels this is set to have. And then we'll go into the properties of those levels and associate them to those terminals. Now the level call out here, you'll see it's by default 1, 2, and 3. We're going to change that to our company standards again. And this would be how it's indicated in the terminal block drawing. Go ahead, put in our terminal block. Going to use the insert end terminals, and we're going to associate each one accordingly. Just make sure the new terminal selected appropriately in that component tree you assign.